All right, we are live. I mean, things are looking good. Yeah. Can you guys just confirm me that you can hear my voice properly? There is no lag in the live stream, and I hope things are good. Okay. So I think we have still like an 56 minute exactly, and to do the giveaway. So we're just gonna wait and see who's gonna join the live stream today. And in the meantime, we're going to do some analysis on pairs and see what we can get today. All right. Amazing. Okay. I mean, I think I'm going to wait around 5 to 10 minutes to let some people in, let them join. In the meantime, I'm going to do some things that is I wanted to do. Please, I mean, we have some time. We're gonna do analysis. It's just like 2 to 3 minutes because I'm just waiting like to get these things ready. And I hope like you can hear my voice properly. Just wanted to confirm that. If you're watching the live stream, please in the chat let me know like if you can hear my voice and it's not lagging or something like that. Give me a minute. Right. Right. All right. All right. Let me just do this. Okay, guys. Let's do some analysis now. Okay, looking at the gold at this moment, I'm just gonna, pause this for a minute and do some analysis from the top. On the daily time frame, basically, we are in a small consolidation after breaking this low. So what I see is that overall we are in a downtrend. This is the low we made, and after that we've been consolidating at this point, and we now just break this point, right? Give me a minute. I just needed to reply this person. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying that, you know, that we've been like after making this high, basically, after this making this high, we dropped down, made a high, and since then, after breaking this low here as well, we've been, at a point we were just consolidating. After consolidating, we break through, we take out this high. Now we made just this low. Okay, so according to me, I think we are still in a downtrend. So there are possible chances that price will continue going down on the daily time frame. Okay, weekly we are in consolidation zone. Monthly, like price is just, let's see, on a 4 hour time frame, we're still in a consolidation zone here. All right, let me mark this area out just to clear things out. All right, this is the key area here on a 4 hour time frame, because we have not broke this for quite some time, and this is the high we have here basically. Okay, if I just turn this on, this is the indicator that I use. It's like something that I have made. So I got the perfect key area. I got this. I don't even need this. It already showed me that there's a key area there. So I'm just gonna hide this down again. So now, based on a 1 hour time frame, what I see is that price did bounce back up, because this is a key area. There was not enough volume for price to move down. All right. So there was not enough volume here. Okay. Now going to 30-minute time frame here. What I see is that most likely that price did, this was a perfect trade. If I was trading like some minutes ago, this is the setup that I would have taken. Okay, basically. So you see, this is the area where price did consolidate and break above, and this is the pattern. This is an important pattern for me, because this is a break above, immediately a retest, and then moving to the upside. So this is something I would have taken. Now, right now we are coming into like new session. So I think we will wait for that and see what kind of a trade we can take. Basically, also keep in mind, overall, we are in a downtrend. So there are multiple chances that we should take sells. That will be way better. So let's see. BTC. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Like everyone want to trade Bitcoin. Let's see what do we get. Currently, it's sitting at 93. You know, what do we have for the Bitcoin? Let's go to daily. Yeah, I mean, after reaching 100K mark, it already, I mean, it's pretty amazing, that how this moves. Like, look at this, the last low when it made this much, around 63K as a high. made a low, made a new high, then again recover 90 or 60%, you can say. And then after that, again, a huge move. So there is like, 50 to 60% chance that price will cover up this area that have just gone up. So I think, yeah, we are making like multiple lows here, basically. Like, look at this pattern, okay? We made a high, then we made a low, high, and this is the low. So basically, price is not trending at all. So what I think is that, basically it just broke this lows here, and now we are retesting this lows here. So if we do break below this area, most likely it will trend to the downside here. And after recovering around 50 to 60%, then we can see a proper move to the upside. But if we are trend in a trend way, I think like it should go down. But to be honest, crypto does not move much in a technical way. It just do whatever it wants to do. So that's my view on that. Do you have any other questions, guys? All right. This is our like the 100K account which we're gonna trade, but I'm just waiting for a proper trade idea right now. There is not a good trade idea, so I'm just waiting at this moment. Guys, just let me know, like, you can hear my voice properly, right? There is no lagging in that. My 100 rupee spread. To be honest, I do not know like कैसा spread है, but you need to check it out. I mean, ask the support chat. They will let you know the spreads. The best option you have is that. All right. So I think if I'm looking for a trade idea, that would be, let's take a look at 1 hour, 4 hour. Did 4 hour break the low of the previous candle low and then switch back to the upside? So we have 1 hour left. What I will say that we wait for like some time before taking any further trades, because I do not see much volume, and to be honest, there is no news today. So there is not much volume that we can check, right? Let me just open up FOREX Factory calendar. Let's see. All right. So there is no news. This is nothing. Okay, basically. And even tomorrow will be bank holidays. Even on first day January, there will be bank holidays. So basically, there is nothing in this market. I mean, if I'll be really honest, like at this point, if there is a even like 20 pips, if I can get, I'll take that. I won't take a huge chunk of the market because there is no volume, right? Let's take a look at the silver here. Let's do analysis on that. So recently we have broke this area here, you know, and doing a retest of that area basically. This is beautiful. I mean, look at this. We made a high, lower low, retested that properly, rejected that, made another high, and then we are creating another low. So basically, I think we should be coming up to this low here we have next. So this is beautiful, right? Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. We just, again, beautiful. Look at this, rejecting that area and making the lows to go down further. So that is something good, right? We should be able to target around this level. I think the major rejection points are here. So according to this, we will be breaking the previous daily candle low here. If we do that, based on what I see, then I think we can take a sell position on this, you know, and target the low we have here. Question is the spread, how much we have on the this. Okay, so on, okay, let's see. I want to remove this first. Okay, no, highs and lows, remove that. And I want to remove the volume. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. Now, I think spread should be good. What is the price here? Call it 293. Understood. Okay. I think we can take the trade here. How much pip we are targeting? If we do break this low, what we can get? That's too much. Also, there is enough volume, in the price, there is enough volume. Is gold moving at that point? Yeah, we just entered the New York session. So that's why that is this huge volume coming in. Let's do analysis on GBP USD. So what do you see here when you're gonna announce the giveaway results? So basically we still have around 38 minutes and 15 seconds. So in that period of time, we're gonna announce the winner. All right. So we are at a really key area here as well on GBP USD on daily time frame, because you see we have rejected multiple times here. Okay. And we have daily and weekly lows and monthly lows here at the point. So I think we should be moving forward here. So if you're looking for buys, that would be something we should be good at, because look at this. This is the low it made high. Then after that, we've been, constantly trying to create the new high. You see, this is the pattern break out of that. And then now, right now, we are creating another high. So basically, I think we should be moving forward to the next high here. Yeah, let's see. Let's take a look at, I mean, even on right now, what I see is that we have recently break this structure. So if we do a proper retest and go above this area, then we should be looking for buys. But it is risky, it is risky for some reason. Let's take a look at GBP JPY. Let me go to daily time frame, reset this chart. We are at the crazy area on this one. Like we had a rejection back in October, then we are touching those areas again, like huge spike up. I think this was what, I think this was something news or based on news also. Like for me, this is a important area here. Okay. So I think we should once even if we do break above here, I think we should be coming back down and recheck again because we should be coming to 197,550 or so before going up. That's yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we can get. That is 50 pips or so. Yeah, this is still stuck there. For gold, we are still pushing forward here. Interesting. How much do we have? I'll be risking if I take a trade anywhere around here, I'll be risking around 46 pips. Actually, not 46 because let's assume if price do come down a little bit. So I still need to put a stop loss of 70 pips. That is too much. That is too much. Not on the day like when there is no news on nothing, and I'll be risking that much. It's crazy. Great. So basically, I think the best trade we can take is something either we should see a break above the structure and we should target Asian high. That is something I think will be better. And if not, then we wait. If not, then we wait. Because overall, if I look at the 4 hour time frame, or a daily time frame, I think price is in a downtrend. And if I take a buy just to scalp, even on this side, and on the daily time frame, we have looked at the low of these areas. And if I look at the 4 hour time frame, mm, I think we are in consolidation zone. Even if it's bouncing back up from this area and we do go up, I'm still confused on that part. Like, will the price have enough volume to push from here to break this high? Or, does the price have enough volume to push below this area? Because it have already rejected like 3 times, So it's really hard to break below this area. Hey, bro, how are you? Yeah, we just started the live stream. I mean, this is the first live stream basically, and we're gonna try to pass the Funded account, and we'll see what we can do. It's good to have you here, though, guys. If you don't know, meet Sanket. We have done a podcast with him on the YouTube channel, so go check that out. Which prop firm? Right now, I'm using Gold Funded. I'm doing the account with them. It's a two-step account. Let's see. I hope you have done your stuff. I mean, you've been busy, right? Yeah, I understand. I understand. Take your time. Take your time. Soon you will be. I mean, you are near to like the 100K, right? You're near to the payouts and stuff. I think we will do the second podcast soon, I guess, because I have checked your post recently. Yeah, see, there you go. I mean, wish me luck. I'm starting the funny account as well. So let's see how it goes. No, doesn't matter if you pass or fail. You're doing a great job on the channel. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I just want to, grow and learn things. So yeah, we are doing our best. We are doing our best to, provide the right things without scamming anyone. Okay, so the important factor you see on gold right now is this area here, right? So remember, even after a huge fall, we have survived this key area. So we are bouncing back from that point. Look at this second rejection, third, fourth, and we got multiple rejections from this points as well. Now, even if I go back here, we got multiple rejections from here, and we started the uptrend till the 2790, right? So this is a really key area for price to trend to the upside. So I think there is a really less chance we can break below this area. Okay, so this give me more confirmation that I should be okay if I even if I do take a buy, that will be way better. And as we have recently break the structure and moving to the high, so let's see how the price is doing, and based on that, we're gonna catch the move because this is still not a strong move to the upside. Okay, we are still getting some red candles. You can say it's not that strong candle based on 15-minute time frame or so. Now going on to like even silver, we're still waiting because we need a proper break of structure before we do take any trade, right? Because price can, it just move down and just flip back up. So if you want to stay away from fake out, we should just wait. Simple as that. Looking at GBP USD, we're moving back down here. Let's see how this does. I think most likely if price do come back up, then we're gonna do something like this. And if we do not, then most likely this will just continue going down and will come up again and retest those areas to move down. So either we can take a sell entry here when we does the retest of the zone, or we can take a buy entry here when it does the retest of the buy zone. But right now, there is no trade idea here. We'll just wait at this point. For GJ, we are still, let's say, let me well, yeah, we are in a consolidation zone to be honest, and I do not want to take any trade in this consolidation area. That's not worth it at all. Because look at this market. There's no point. If I see a clear direction, that will be way better. So I think the trade ideas we can take is below this structure. That will be way better. I think trades we can take will be on GU or okay, this is good. We are coming down and strongly coming down to be honest. Point is This is something we can see that price is coming down. Now all we need is this 15-minute candle to close below this structure. Then we can think that yeah, price will continue going down. Even if it does, even if it go more than this, it should come back to this area. So basically, what we can see is something like this. So that will be way better to take a entry point because it just confirming that at this area that we are not going up, the price won't go up, and it will be continue moving down. Yeah, sure, sure. Like do what is the best. I mean, yep. Okay. Even gold is moving back down. So this is a strong moment here. Yeah. I mean, the important thing is that you are growing in your life, and which is something great. So I'm pretty sure like you will do better. You will do better. I just got the notification I saw on the Instagram. See, that is a good thing that we did not take a buy here, right? We waited for price to take its proper move. So now for 4 hour candle to close, we have around 24 minutes. So if this candle do flip bearish from here, then most likely we should see a continuation of the downside. So let's wait around 5 to 10 minutes and see if we can break below this structure and create a proper structure here now. Because as I said, we are not taking a trade that is something like, yeah, I think this is going to be a good one. Look at this. So we are creating a structure. If we do break below and do a retest of this area, then we can take a sell here and put a stop loss like above these areas, which will be better for price to move down. So that will be something good. He did a good job. I mean, with the editing part, he did a good job. So we'll see like if the upcoming projects, like I'm doing some other podcasts as well with that upcoming project. If I need help, I will definitely ask him to do the editing. Look at this. Like this is just happening in like 1 15-minute candle. Okay, look at this. We just need to wait another 7 minutes. The only reason I'm not taking a trade here is like price could flip easily to the upside with this kind of a volume. So when you take a trade, don't have like a FOMO or something like that, because always remember that you will find always a better opportunity than this. So I have learned this in a hard way. Ask Sanket, he knows like what I'm talking about. So people here are like something that is, hey, how are you doing? I'm locked in. Yeah, 2025. People are, writing down their resolution, what they're gonna do. They are excited to go in 2025, but they know that, 2025 will start with what the fuck. I mean, that's just a meme, but you know, Like for the reason, like, I'm starting this account, this 100K funded account series again, is because now I have learned a lot of things, and I think like I can do way better with the account. I know how much I will be risking. I know exactly, like, as after passing one account, like, trust me, when you start the funded account, you'll always lose, okay? But after some period of time, when you pass the phase one, you will lose the phase two. But when you pass the phase one and phase two both, you will lose in the funded account as well. Like, there is like, mm, a lot of people do lost the funded account. The only reason they do that is because I think they do not understand the feeling. Basically, the people say that they are controlling the feelings and controlling the emotions and things like that, but it's, to be honest, it's the part of the human being, and it's not that something you will able to control every time. But I believe it's gonna be great. Obviously, man, like, we're gonna, even if it's not great, we're gonna make it great. But we are doing our best. Okay, we did get the break of structure here. Now look at this in this way, right? Even if I wanted to take a trade, I can take a trade at this point, but I know that price will come up. The question is, when it does come up, will it reject this area or not? If it does reject that area and break the low, then like take a trade will be way better. But if I just take a trade blindly right now, it won't be that something. Bro, SMC or IDC concept really works or not? For better understanding, because I have a great hand in support and resistance. To be honest, if you have a great understanding of support and resistance, there is no changing in the concept. If you're profitable with support and resistance, stick with that. Hell, I will say, like, if you're profitable with trend lines, stick with that. Indicators, then stick with that, because everyone have their own strategies, everyone have their own way of looking at the market. So, stick with what will work for you, basically. Emotions ruin everything. I'm a victim too. But everyone is a victim of emotions, to be honest, in their personal life to trading. Everyone. Look at this, like, huge drop. But again, like, so this guy who asked the ICD and SMC concept, basically ICD and SMC concepts are built on, something called, you can say, what was the Wyckoff theory. Okay, they just refine the concept and explain to you guys what it is. Let me show you what is Wyckoff theory. If you don't know, like, you should do some research, and it is something been introduced like a long time ago. Okay, take a look at this. Okay, now check this out. This is a phase one, okay, which they have drawn it out. This is a phase B, C, D, and E. Okay, so what does that mean? Is there is a phase one, then there is a consolidation, and there is a phase E. But in that phases, there is a different way that market moves. So this is a kind of a whack of theory. Okay, I'm not sure. Like, I can find the proper thing of the whack of here. Let me search the whole name again. Yeah, there you go. Look at this. So this is the guy who invented Wyckoff theory. Okay, the logic of it. This is the cause. Okay, you can see everything. Here, let me open up again. So this is loading right now. There's a multiple ads coming in. Man, where is what is my ad blocker doing? I mean, I don't know what to say. This pops up. Is the image is not loading or something? Like 15-minute candle did close. You got 50 seconds for the 15-minute candle to close. On GU, we are rejecting and coming back up. So if we do close like a bullish on the structure, then that is something interesting we're gonna watch here. On gold, we are dropping down crazy. Like we still have 15 seconds left. So how we gonna take this trade is something like this, okay? Is that next candle, when the next candle do open up, what I want it to do is it should go up, reject this area, then flip bearish, break the low, and continue going down. Okay, that is something I'll be looking for. Well, this is not helping at all, and I'm not sure why. Okay, let me search again. I'll go to images and okay, there. So, I'll explain from here only. Like there's a accumulation. Okay, this is the phase. Okay, now keep in mind there is a climax, there's ping, there is a test, and then low volume to fail the sell off. And when price does that and retest this area, and then it started going up, do the breakout, jump the crack, effect to mark up. This is again, price is trending to the upside. Then we come in the stage of the distribution again. Now, if you've been in the markets and trading every day, you have seen this multiple times. Whenever price do make a new high, or it just made a huge volume coming in, and you will see this always. This is something is there every day. Okay. Also keep in mind, this is something like, you should know, like, this guy ICD and SMC and this concept, they have got that theory from these things. Okay, it's not something that just came up to their mind and just started doing that. Market are looking fun this year. My first test trade today on a flip account. That's great. I mean, 180 to 300, that is a crazy thing to, like, it may not sound crazy, but if you look at the percentage wise, it does. That's a 50% growth there. Okay. So new 15-minute candle did open up. We did went up. Now, the only thing is if we do break the low, then that is something we not want to look at right now. All I need is price should first come up, reject, and then so that is the something I'll be looking for. Okay, warming up yourself. By the way, guys, if you don't know what is perfect entry, we have done a podcast with him as well. Like you just need to check that out. The link will be on the YouTube. I mean, you will find the video. You just search the perfect entry. These guys are amazing as well. Like this guy have helped me to build this thing. This is the indicator that I'm using. He helped me to build that. Right. So silver, the price. So okay. I mean, we have a long way to go. But if I take a blind trade here, I know that I need to put my stop loss. I need to give enough room for price to move down, right? So I'll be putting stop loss above this mark, and which is too high. So I cannot take a trade here basically. If I want to take a trade, I need to see price coming up and reject those areas. For GBP, USD, we are still not trending anyway. So we're just waiting at this point. GJ is coming down. DXY, this is shooting straight up. So if this is going up, basically, then the gold should be moving to the downside, which is doing already. So we did break the low of the previous candle, and we are now moving to the downside. It's going to be hard to take a trade here, to be honest. Even if I do, I know for sure that, I'll be able to target how much. Can I put a stop loss above this? That will be 22 pips. What do you guys think? Like, should we put a stop loss above the current candle and, write it down till the low we have here? But it's risky. I mean, I think what will happen is that price did, it's just, what it's doing is just creating a structure. And I think it should be going back up here. That's what I'm afraid of because, as I said, on a 4 hour time frame, like, look at this. We have rejected this area multiple times. So if we do break below this area, I mean, this does look like a head and shoulder pattern, I guess. But patterns are something you can take a look to. Oh, how much time we have for the giveaway? 9 minutes. 9 minutes left, guys. 9 minutes. Let's see who's gonna win the count here. Exactly 9 minutes left. And we have 9 minutes left for the candle to close as well. Okay, 1 hour candle did flip. So we have 9 minutes before the 4 hour candle to close. So I think the best thing I can do is wait either for this candle to close and see if the next candle how it's trading the market, right? Because if the next 4 hour candle do go down, that is something interesting. Like, I think I'm gonna wait for 30-minute candle to close as well. So yeah, the best thing we have is to wait for price to close here because if once the price do close here, then we are getting a closure on 30-minute time frame, 1 hour, and 4 hour time frame. So these are the big confirmation time frame, you know, on a time frame basis. So we can wait up a little bit. In the meantime, let's see, guys. If you have any questions or anything like that, hit me up right now in the chat. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do that. Look at this. Now even the this candle is moving down. I mean, but with the silver, that is a different story because it have enough room to move down, and this is a clear trade idea. There's still enough room for price to move down. But if I want to take a trade, I will be waiting another 9 minutes to get more confirmation how price will move. Because I already got a confirmation that we have enough volume for price to move to the downside. But does it have enough uh, you know, time to create the structure and move, or it will just sell off? Because if there is no news, I think it should create a structure and move. But if there is a news or something like that, then there is a different story. We should be moving like quickly here. But as there is no news, I'll just wait. I will treat it differently if I was trading NFP or CPI data like that because I know that price will have crazy volume and I need to grab the buy. So I'll just wait. But right now there is no volume or there's nothing like that. As if you're watching the live stream, leave a like, and if you're new to the live stream, subscribe to us. Like we're gonna do the live stream every day from today. Most likely we will do it every day. I will do my best because I have other things to take care of, and it's pretty hard to keep up with the live stream and everything like that. But I'll do my best to continue the live stream as well. So I think I'm pretty sure this candle will do something like, it will pump down, then close like this, and then next candle will pump up. So that's why I'm not taking a trade here. I do not see that like important things, important volume, like something like that. It's pretty hard to catch up there on the silver. But for the gold, we are moving. Upgrade to my station? What do you mean by that? You mean my setup? Yes, like if you're talking about my trading setup, yeah, I did a upgrade. I did a big upgrade. Mm, Bro, I passed the phase one in 3 days from Funded Pro account size of 5K. Then on the first day, two phases. I lost my account because I lost 225. The daily low is 250. I mean, to be honest, like it's good that you did pass the phase one within a 3 days time period, but like that is crazy. Okay, I'll be honest. If you're trading on an account, keep in mind you are treat it like a huge money. To be honest, even it's a 5K account, treat it like it's a big money. So like just focus on the percentage. If you focus on the percentage on your account size, you will learn a lot of things. So I'll advise you to do that. Focus on the percentage. Yeah, I did upgrade on my trading setup. Basically, like I just got the lights and a big name plate. You can say like you have seen people adding that YouTube channel name on the big walls and things like that. So that's what I have done. Like I have basically put the big banner of XK Trading Floor. So, but I love the environment. To be honest, having a trading setup is is something you will love it. The only reason I'm saying that because like it helps you to stay focused. Like what you are building. So if you are doing something in your life, it's not something related to YouTube or maybe other things. Let's say you are doing on other niche on YouTube, then create your own room. If you are working on through laptop, create your own personal environment. That is will change everything. I mean, thanks. It is cool. I mean, it is classic. It is something I love it, and it is something I have built myself. So I do love it. Oh, guys, I totally forgot. Like we have to choose the winner, right? Yeah, we got 2 minutes. I mean, 2 minutes 40 seconds. So people who who are not watching the live stream, I mean, loss for them. I don't know who will win. Like I don't know. It's gonna be random, but let's see who gonna win that. But right now, what you see is the price is trending to the downside. Ooh, look at that. There's a huge volume. I mean, I don't know where is this coming from. Is there any news or something? Because I checked, there is not. You always look at the liquidity. What do you mean by that? Like, do I always look at that? Do, just give me a minute, guys. I just okay. So yeah, it's not news. Yeah, I mean, I know like it's not news, but like this is something I was not expecting today to move. Okay, bro, my strategy is kind of a scalping. The one mistake I learned is that to keep the stop loss and minimize the risk. I mean, bro, even I do trade based on scalp. So I totally understand what you're saying. I do not target like the crazy pips, like 50, 60 pips. So I get your point, but with the scalping, you need to always use the stop loss. Okay. Like the lows or the highs been taken out. I mean, so PUBG guy, I mean, if you're talking about lows and highs that taken out, it is something you should be looking at. The only reason I'm saying that because every session have a different way of you know checking the time frame basically. Okay, in Asia price will move differently, London it will move differently, but I have seen it like sometimes it does take out the highs and lows of that before moving to the right direction. So I think liquidity is something you should learn, and it will come you will learn that while trading every day and putting some effort on the charts. Maybe it's the end of the year correction, possibly, yes. But right now we are breaking the low here, and we just have the new 4 hour candle open up. And I think we just now it's time to join the giveaway. I mean, do the giveaway. Okay, guys. I mean, it's 7:30. I hope everyone is here. Let me just confirm for a second that I'm doing it right way, right? I think I need to do something. Okay, guys, we have the winners. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I'm not showing you something that is not good. So there are three winners we have. All right, that is Saf. That name is not there, but in the email it says Saf, and then we're gonna make it in. That is another guy. Then Nishant Patel. So there are three winners, guys. If you're watching the live stream, hit me up on the Instagram or the Discord or somewhere. Okay, and just send me a screenshot that you are the winners. Okay, if you send me the screenshot, then we're gonna take it from there, or send me an email. You will find an email through my YouTube channel or my Discord or somewhere. Okay, just hit me up there, and we're gonna send you out the accounts. One more question. This will be the last. Can you explain what volume indicator does? Bro, you can ask as many questions you have, and we will answer that. Okay, so there is no shortage of that. Now about the volume indicators, so every volume indicators have a different way that it works. So if you're talking about the volume indicators that we have here, so something like this basically, where the settings. So if you're talking about something like this bars that we have below this time frame, then it does work, but you should know like you need to have studied on these indicators basically. If you know like the delta things that trade people use it, then you will know like you know so the volume things is like it will take some time to learn these things. It's not that easy, to be honest. You need to be that mathematical guy, I guess, because This is something you decide based on numbers, and I think it is not something simple as that. Okay, now let's take a look at the time frame here. I just wanted to make sure what we are doing. So with the 4 hour time frame, with the new candle opening up, I'm assuming that we should be coming up a little bit, making a high before continue going down. So that's way I'll be looking at the trade ideas here. Otherwise, we're just gonna wait. Or the next thing we can do is just break the low and continue going down, which I'm not expecting that will happen. But if it does, then there is no trade idea for today. Okay. Guys, give me a minute. Okay, I'm just chatting with important things. Okay, I think yeah, price is coming up here. Same as for gold. So our trade area is still the same. Okay, okay. In the meantime, yeah, you can drop your questions in the chat. In the meantime, like I'm just doing something which is important. So give me some minutes, okay? Like I'll just check the charts quickly. Like what are we missing? For GJ, we did break below and we are dropping down crazy, which I was not expecting. Like this is crazy move. I did not just miss it. I am just waiting. How much money you can make with the trading now? Till now, I have lost money, but I have not made money. That is the honest answer I can give you. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, like, to be honest, like, it's not something that I can answer, but let's assume that right now I'm like, I have a personal account which is small. So I do make percentage wise, like, 2 to 3%. But assuming on the funded account, there is some certain rules you need to follow and emotion kicks in. So I have not, I'm not saying that, like with the funded account, it's pretty hard to do that. So I have multiple source of income which I use. Okay. Amar Muti. I think, I think there is someone else. You are not the winner, but if you are the winner, you will able to see that here in the panel when you click in this, like you will able to see that congratulations, you are the winner or something like that. But there are three. There is a one Sav guy. There is like they do not have the names on this panel, so I cannot say if they're on the account. So I need to wait, to be honest. Like you will get an email or something if you are the winner. But yeah, there are three people who did win. Let me show you right now. So these are the three people who did win. If top three people, these are the three people who did win. Okay, guys, we are posting it to the upside now. Okay, yeah. Me too, funded account problem, Joe. Uh, oh, yeah, brother. I mean, I totally did not recognize you there. Sure, like we gonna try to do giveaway, with other platforms, but we just need to make sure that platforms are good, and we want to make sure that the platform we work with, we want to make sure that it's reliable. To be honest, so that's why we do a close verification with them before working with them basically. So hopefully, in the future we will do more giveaways. Do stick with us. It's just one giveaway. We're gonna do more. It's coming. Funded account problem. Like, yeah, I mean, we are like there is this guy FD Trader, right, in the chat. We have he just purchased an account with gold funded. He had a problem. It was solved. So that's why he's just telling us that. Give me a minute, guys. I'm just checking something. I wanted to make sure that. All right. So as we are waiting on the gold, I told you guys that we wanted to see that price do come up and then reject for price to move down. So we are already seeing that price is coming up right now. So let's see. Same for the silver here as well. This is coming up as well. GJ and GU. So I think if we do a retest here, most likely we're gonna reject again and break down. After closing below, we are closing above again with a strong bullish candle, and 30-minute candle is bullish as well. 1 hour is bullish as well as the 4 hour candle right now. So it's going to be hard now to see that price will continue going down or not, but most likely we should see a rejection at least. Now you see, like after reaching this high, this 5 minute candle is totally flipping bearish. So I think we should be able to see a good trade once we see it once or twice the rejection. It will be great. Hello, brother. I won your giveaway. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Just hit me up on the Instagram or the Discord. That send me the screenshot. So I will give you the giveaway account for sure. Just hit me up on the Instagram or Discord, please. After the live stream, the first thing we're gonna do is get the giveaway accounts for you guys. Yes, that's me. If you get an email, that's me. All right, all right, all right, all right. Sorry, I'm just checking some things. Now the important thing is that 50-minute candle is flipping bearish here. See, so like this one too. Now 30-minute candle, we have 7 minutes left. How much is this? This is still a 50 pips stop loss. So if assuming that the minimum I would like I want to add is a 50 pip stop loss, then that is something I need to check. And I mean, doing the live stream while doing something else, it's something like hard to do, to be honest. I mean, salute to Raja Bank and the people like that. Man, this guy have done the live stream for like so long, like 4 to 5 years. It's something crazy. I mean, like before, I was doing live stream, but I was not, doing other things. So it was pretty easy for me to do live streams. But right now, I'm doing multiple stuff, and it's quite hard to do live stream at the same time because I can wait for the trade ideas to come up because I can watch the screen here, while doing other things and like that. All right. Price is still rejecting. We have seen like twice, like on a 5 minute time frame, we've seen that two times price have rejected these areas here. Now all we need is that there is this last 5 minute candle. Let's see how this close and we'll see. Now on the silver, you can see price did came back up and now it's flipping bearish. It's still is pretty good, right? Look at this. It did the retest, I think, and now it's flipping bearish and moving now. This is crazy. The price action is pretty clean on this. I love it. As for GU, what do you see? Is that price did went down, taken a support at this level. So let's see, it did taken a support at this area. Now if price do go up, then that is something interesting to see. Well, I did like once the giveaway is done, everyone is out of the stream. Interesting. All right, all right. Let's check this out. What do we have on? I think I do not want to take that trade. GA have really clean price action as well, I guess. I think with the new candle opening here, most likely we should be going down. Okay, guys, we got the closure here. Like, I want to take a look here. Price is going down with the opening of the candle, which I do not like. So assuming if price do break down here, now this is going to be an interesting. fact, we do not have a top pick, price always always create a top pick. So assuming if price do come up, then I can say, yeah, price is moving like interesting. So I mean, it's for me, it's like pretty much blank right now. In what way I can take a trade because there is no topic, and I want to wait for that. So if I'm looking for a trade idea, gold is moving down. Well, I think price will move forward here from this point. It should be going up, to be honest. But let's see. I just want to wait and see. That's GU is strongly moving to the downside. I think we have enough room for price to move down 30 pips or so by risking around 25 pips. I think I can take that trade out. Like looking at this structure, I think we are good to move to the downside. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Silver is still moving forward here with while creating a new low, but I do not see. It's gonna be something. It's a time, all right? I mean, it's 8 p.m. and I think I'll be ending the live stream in next 15 minutes. If I find a trade, it's okay. If I do not, then we're gonna see what we can do. We got 16 minutes. I mean, let's see after 1 minute how price is moving on the 15-minute time frame. Hey, we got new 15-minute candle just open up. We are respecting the area here still. We did not break it. Okay. And looking at that, question is, are we going to continue going down or we're going to check that? We are rejecting at this point now. GJ is moving fine. I mean, after breaking this low, it's just continuously going down and down. I mean, if I would have taken a trade here, I would have perfect sellout. The only reason I did not because I was not sure. I think if this 5 minute candle do close above this area, I think what I'm gonna do is take a trade, which is I'm gonna scalp around like 70 pips while taking a stop loss of around 36 pips and see how this trade goes. That is something I think we can target. 16 minute, the candle will close above. Once it does, I think I'll be looking for a buy, because I think this 30-minute candle will flip bullish and most likely could go up till here and before rejecting down. So that could be a possibly a good trade idea, I think. 5-minute candle that closed just now. On weekly time frame, we are bearish. Did we just break the, yeah, we just break the weekly candle low as well. Now, assuming if the price do want to continue going down, this could be possibly the trade for the sellout. But I want to scalp, so I'll be looking at the 1 hour of 4 hour time frame here. We got 9 minutes before the 1 hour candle close. So if 1 hour candle close above this area, respecting this areas here, then we're gonna see a price to the upside. But if it does not, then I think we should see price will be started moving to the downside. Let's see. सर आप हिंदी में बताओ, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. सो बेसिकली अभी है ना, हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं फॉर बेटर ट्रेड आइडिया, कि वो अच्छा ट्रेड मिलता है. अभी हम लोग ने कोई ट्रेड लिया नहीं है बेसिकली. Okay, now in the like, so what I see here is that price did went up and it's closing above this area. And if I want to now take a buy, this is giving me confirmation. So now if I see that price is retesting in this zone, then I'll be looking for buys here. But I'm just waiting because we have 3 minutes left before the 30-minute candle close. आप इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो, ऊपर से जा रहा है भाई। बेसिकली अभी अभी हम लोग ट्रेड का वेट कर रहे हैं, लाइक कोई ट्रेड अपन, लाइक अगर ये 1 आवर कैंडल ऐसा फ्लिप करता है तो हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं ये एरिया तक, जा सकता है, तो उसमें हम कैच आउट कर लेंगे ऐसा। 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now all we need to do is just put this here. So if we got a break of structure here, then we can target the high again. That's what we are looking for. I think I'm gonna be ending the live stream soon enough, but it's just I do not see a better trade opportunity at this moment, and it's not like I want to take a trade today or I will die. So I can wait for sure, but I do not see something that is like, according to me or my trade analysis. This big moment is just I was not expecting. It just came up like randomly. without any news. So now with the new 30-minute and 15-minute candle, that if we see the break of structure or break of high of the previous 15-minute candle, most likely price should go up and we could be able to target around 40 pips. Yeah, now the 1 hour candle is coming back down again. So I think price is in a consolidation or zone or something. But GJ is moving so good. Like look at this. After this drop, it was just continue going down. So anyone who have taken a trade on GJ, congratulations. You have just taken a good trade today. Okay. Price is still moving down. Now if we do, you know, break below this area again on a 5 minute time frame, we could for sure take a small trade. But that is a huge trade. TJ is still moving forward. I mean, crazy move here. Price is moving. Yeah, we just break the low here. Now looking at the 30-minute time frame, 1 hour, I think we just gonna move to the downside here again. Whoa, look at that. Interesting. I mean, gold is moving pretty crazy. I mean, anyone have taken a trade in this? Like, I did not because I do not see a trade idea for me right now. But even if I do take a trade here, how much is that? 25 pips? I do not think that I'll be taking a trade because price is moving pretty funny. But 13 seconds. And if this candle do close below, we're gonna put the stop loss above here and target the lows we have next. And most likely, I'm gonna use 0.25. I'm just waiting once it breaks the low, then it's good. There you go. I just taken a sell there here. Okay. Now I'm gonna put stop loss exactly above this area, and my target will be. I think there's enough. 20 to 50 pips is enough, I guess. One on one, that will be enough. One on one. Okay, I'm gonna add a stop loss here. So that will be 0.268. I click on modified and add a stop loss. 8.25. Okay, so that is a projected loss of 0.82%. And I'm gonna target around 0.50%, not much. 0.97, 85, and so on. Okay. Yep. I'm not gonna add this because I wanna, modify that position accordingly. So let's see. Let's go. Let's see. Finally taken one trade. And if we do lost, we do lost. And we'll just flip up. We have 15 to 16 seconds. And if this candle do come up to this area and closed, so and that is a not a good close. So I think I'm gonna close that full position. Okay, but I want to see if this candle is closing back up or below the zones. Okay, so that will be now. Like if this candle wanted to, move forward, it will just break the low before going back up. So I'm just gonna target based on that. Currently, we are down around 0.30%. Let's see how we do. Also, give me a minute, guys. I'll be back. All right. So I think, I mean, according to me, most likely price will come down here. But the only thing is, I think I need to target this low as a my TP. Adjust your TP to 2597. I think that is the area we should close the full position if price to come to that area. I mean, the good thing is like if price is creating a structure, then it will reject this zone and come back down. If it's coming back up to the zone, then it will hit our stop loss. That's why our stop loss is a little bit big. But I think it's worth it. Like if the trade does go, if wanted to go up, then this will be the stop out. Okay, guys, now I need to wrap up. I'll see you in the next live stream, maybe tomorrow or maybe if there is no news or something like that. So, I mean, there's no point, right? So, on a first date, 1st of January, we will not do any live stream, will not take any further trades. So, this is a one trade. Our stop loss is there. If we hit that, we hit that. If we, our, TP is that, we're going to make around 0.50% on that. So, I'll keep you guys posted in the Discord group. So if you have not checked my Discord group, please do check that out. It's totally free to join that. So I'll see you in the next live stream. Thank you for joining, and I hope everyone get their giveaway account. Now, thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye.